How to share email on Spark Mail for Mac. On the Spark Mail app, you have a revolutionary collaborative experience in your inbox. Sparks allow you to create, discuss, and share the email with your colleagues. Take your team collaboration to the next level. Collaborate with your teams using a real-time editor to compose professional emails. I will show you for now how you can show an email to somebody else on your team without forwarding the actual email. Go to an email you just received. On the top part you have a profile icon with a plus. Click it. Click on Create a Team. Write the team name and click Create Team. You can invite people to the team so you will be able to share this email. Click on Create a Team. Click Share Email. Write the email of the person on the top. Please note you can select Share New Email. If in this thread somebody replies to your email, the person will be able to see it. This is nice. Click Invite. You see now that the email is shared with another person. Let's go to another email. Now, when we click on the profile icon from the top, we get the possibility to share it with the entire team or with a specific person who is in the team. This is quite nice and help you manage to share emails between coworkers easy and fast. This is how you share an email on Spark Mail on MacBook. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.